Hey, how would you like to make double-digit returns on your money without the risk of the stock market? Well, that's what I do. I've been doing it for a while. Hi, I'm Joanne Musa, known online as the Tax Lien Lady, and I'm also known as America's most trusted authority on tax lien and tax deed investing. And that is because I don't always tell you what you want to hear. I'm going to tell you the truth, just like it is. And I will tell you that in the last couple of weeks, I've been to 6 live tax sales and I've bid out a few online tax sales. And yes, I was successful at a lot of them. There were a couple that I wasn't successful and didn't buy anything, but that's okay because at the other sales, I did buy stuff, and some of it was at 18%. And we have the opportunity to make even 24% on some of the liens that I bid at. And so, how would you like to know how to do that? Well, why don't you join me? Join me in a couple of days for my next tax sale success workshop. This is a 90-minute workshop. It is not your regular webinar. This is where you will actually see me do some coaching on the call, and I will give you what you need to get started. You know, I ask people, what is it that they most want to know about investing in tax liens or tax deeds? And you know what I'm told at least half the time, if not more than half the time? They just want to know how to get started. So that's what I'm going to tell you in just a couple of days in this 90-minute workshop. So join me, register now. And even if you can't come to the live training, hey, come live if you can, because we're going to have a couple of goodies for you, right? And I'm going to actually do some coaching. But if you can't come live, register anyway so that you could get the replay. All right. And I will see you there.